Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best IAS coaching in your city, Delhi? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end, as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best IAS preparations in your city, Delhi. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus IAS Coaching. Plutus IAS is one of the best coaching institutions in Delhi for your IAS preparation. Since the past few years, this institution has been a great institute for the students. As you can see, the institution has a lot of rush for the students for admission purposes. In this institution, you can take admission by filling out the online admission form, and you must definitely try and visit this institute once if you are planning to prepare for IAS examinations. The contact number of this institute includes 8448440231 and their website is plutusias.com. The fee structure of this institution includes a sum of rupees 1,40,000 plus GST, and also a fee of optional subjects is rupees 50,000, and for CSAT it's rupees 19,000. The batch size of this institution includes 300 students in one batch. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone Coaching is one of the best institutions for IAS preparations not only in Delhi but entire India. The Hindu Zone also provides you with a free counseling session. You can register this from their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com, and they will give you a completely free counseling session as whether to which institute you must join as per your course. Apart from this, the Hindu Zone institution also provides you best IAS preparation with top-notch faculty and excellent note preparation as well. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Wajiram and Ravi Institute. Wajiram and Ravi IAS coaching trains students with full dedication. You won't believe, but this Wajiram and Ravi Institute is the best institute in IAS coaching in Delhi, as many students have rated this institute excellently. So if you are the one who cannot leave your job for study, this is the best option or an excellent destination for you as well. Now let us talk about the contact details. The address of this institute includes 9B Bada Bazar Marg, Old Rajinder Nagar, New Delhi, Delhi 110060. The contact number includes 01125820000 and 25734058. The fee structure of this institution includes a sum of rupees 1,60,000, and this is for the period of 9 months. The batch size of this institution includes 200 to 250 students in a batch, and as I already told you, the website of this institute includes wajiramandраvi.com. Moving towards our rank 4 institution, we have Vision IAS Coaching in Delhi. Now let us talk about why is it important and why students should join Vision IAS Coaching in Delhi. Students feel very comfortable with Vision IAS Academy, and students have rated this institution very well. This IAS coaching institute is known to produce many rank holders in the UPSC examinations. Also, it conducts the mock interview on time basis, same like real-time UPSC interview in this institute for IAS preparation. Also, you will feel the ease to connect with IAS faculties. Now let us talk about the address and other contact details. The address includes 2nd floor Apsara Arcade near Gate 7, Karol Bagh Metro Station 18B, Pusa Road, Karol Bagh, New Delhi 110005. The contact number being 8468022022 and 9019066066. The fee structure of this institution includes the classroom programs was rupees 1,50,000, and now since things have gone online, the fee structure of this institution is 1,40,000. The website of this institution include www.visionias.in. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institution, is Shankar IAS Academy in Delhi. Shankar IAS Academy in Delhi is one of the best coaching institutions for civil services. The features of this institute being, Shankar IAS Academy works on the organized structure to cover complete IAS syllabus on time. This IAS coaching institute in Delhi keeps on updating the IAS curriculum as per the changing pattern of the UPSC examination. Also, it keeps on conducting the class tests and mock tests for IAS prelims. Classes schedule is being provided to the enrolled student for IES course on month prior only. Alright, now let us move towards the address and other contact details. The address of this institute is Upper Ground Floor 25 Pusa Road, Delhi 110060. The contact number includes 08899180180. Now let us talk about the fee structure. The fee structure of this institution includes a sum of rupees 1.11 lakhs for full IES course, and IES optional subject fees includes a sum of rupees 30,000. The batch size of this institute is quite less, which is 50 to 60 students in one batch. And the website includes www.shankarIESacademy.com. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best IES preparations in your city, Delhi. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.